Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to every single one of you for subscribing, for leaving all the positive feedback and comments. You guys are rock stars. Thank you very much. So we got a new project, 2014 Porsche Turbo S convertible. This is a customer's car. Somebody backed into him, so they damaged the bumper and the taillight and scratched the wing. So we gotta replace this, and instead of putting it to the original specs, we're gonna do a little conversion to a newer model, to 2018. We're gonna change the taillight and the bumper. Since the taillight was already damaged, we're just gonna get a new one, little facelift. So let's take a closer look. Alright, so we got broken taillight, damaged bumper, pushed in, has a crack over here, so we'll be replacing that. So right now we'll remove the wing, the bumper and the taillights. Waiting for the new bumper, should arrive any day now. So let's get to work. So in order to remove the bumper, you have to remove the wing first, because there is 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding the bumper. Then we also have to remove the taillights. There's 2 screws for taillights, and then there's 1 screw holding the bumper here, 1 screw here, few screws on the side, and few screws at the bottom, and then the bumper just comes off easily. Alright, the bumper is off. Let's take a closer look if anything else got damaged. So nothing got damaged, so we're good to go. So we'll just order the new bumper. Alright, we got a special delivery. Christmas came early this year, so the parts came in for the Porsche. Finally, the rear bumper. Since we're doing the 0.2 conversion, we had to change everything, all the brackets, all the grills. That's the lower lip. So finally we got the bumper for the Porsche. This is gonna be the 0.2 since we're doing the conversion. So new bumper. It's completely different. Alright, so this bumper is a 991.1 bumper, and then this one is a 991.2. So we're going to change the grills, and then the side brackets, left, right side and the left side. And then we're changing the tail lights as well. All right. Let's get to work. Alright, just change the brackets, left side and the right side. So now I'll transfer the wire harness, the backup camera, the lights on this bumper and the grills. Alright, the bumper is ready for installation. We're still missing the reflectors, but they'll come in later. We could snap them in, left side and the right side, and then the emblems, Porsche emblem. But for now, we'll start the bumper and snap the lights and the emblems later. Alright, the bumper is installed, looking nice and mean. So next we'll do the tail lights and then the wing. Alright, so those are the new tail lights and that's the old one, so big difference. So we'll start installing the tail lights now. Alright, we're finished with the rear bumper. Everything came out nice and clean. Rear bumper looks aggressive now. So it looks like a 991.2. So we're just waiting for some both reflectors and the emblems and ready for delivery. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, sorry, sucks to be you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.